Sneha, I've heard that currently you are working on the ideation of Biosmart cleanser.
Yes, I ideate the Biosmart cleanser.
Okay, so can you give its brief introduction?
Of course, this is to develop machine that will clean rivers using microbiomes. It will have bioremediation capsules. The interior wall of these capsules will have microorganisms. As the water passes through it, it will cleanse automatically.
Madhya, can you highlight its mechanisms?
Yeah, definitely. The mechanism mainly lies on AI system, machinery, and microbiomes importantly. First, it will have a pollution detection system. It will use sensors for sensing the chemical signatures present in the water, so that according to that we can use the bioremedial capsules. The bioremedial capsules in their surface area will contain a layer of gel-like structure of different microbiomes, such as, for example, Pseudomonas butyrina. It would break down oil and organic solvents. The second one is Deinococcus radiodurans. It is resistant to radiation and free from toxic waste. The third one is Alkaniborus botumensis. It mainly breaks down hydrocarbons and feeds on oil spills. There would also be an AI detection system where it will map pollutants and their concentration in the water. The microbes will consume or kill the pollutants present in the water and will convert them into harmless products. Sneha, but what do you think? What would be its impact on sustainability?
It links to connect with ecology and environment. This will lead to introduction of water pollution and will help to sustain marine life which is currently one of the leading problems.
Okay.
Madhya, do you think it's practical and what is its potential?
Yeah, its potential is very much. Like we can use it in various places. For example, industry, markets, in our workplaces, or simply in cleaning rivers or drainage. Now, as you talked about its feasibility or we can say safety considerations, this mechanism is quite practical if there is transparent communication, better control over the mechanism, and regular water test is also needed. Yes, there definitely could be some problems if control is not appropriate.